Welcome to Internet Marketing Academy. Learn internet marketing and grow your business with Coco Chancen. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell for the latest updates. If you like it, please like, share it, and leave comments. Thanks for your support and for helping us make the world a better place. The best kept secrets about Google AdSense tips and tricks. Every single website and its owner have the opportunity to make some great money by displaying Google AdSense ads on it. Although many webmasters are making a nice income with these ads, many aren't. Many people say that all you have to do is put up a website and you'll be making over $100 a day with Google AdSense. It does sound simple, and it is. But you will need to optimize your site so that you do generate more and more clicks on the ads that are sitting on your site. The first thing that you need to do is to place the Google AdSense ads in the right spot of the page. This will determine how much money you will make each day. It is very important that you place the ad at the top of the page, above the fold, on your website in order to get the most clicks. What this really means is that you will want to place the AdSense code that Google gives you high enough on the page so that your visitors do not have to scroll down to see the Google ads. If you choose to have the ads right at the top above everything else, then do that. By placing the Google AdSense ads at the top of your website above the fold, there is a greater chance that people will click on the ad, which will help your site generate a higher click-through rate, also known as CTR. The reason for this is because the majority of your visitors will not scroll down the page and look at it. A lot of the time, people look over the top part of the page without worrying about scrolling down. The way you blend the ads with the rest of your page can determine if the ad is visually appealing or not. It is very crucial to make the Google AdSense ads look like your site and not another ad. You can do this by making the font and color of the ad's text similar to the rest of the page. I also recommend that you blend the background of the ad with the background of your page. It should basically have the same color. Google gives you the option to go into your account and customize your ads in different fonts and colors. This will help you blend the ads to your site. Make sure that you don't use the banner ads on your site, because this will decrease your click-through rate. People who visit your website usually try to avoid any banner and picture ads that they see. If you want to increase your click-through rate, you will want to add text ads. Google gives you that option, so use it. Here are some other small tips to increase your AdSense income. 1. Google has confirmed that using the 336 times 280 rectangle ad block size does have the highest click-through rate. Using this ad size will increase your click-through rate and the income that you generate. 2. Using a blue underline for the links can also improve your click-through rate. This allows the ads to actually stand out and look clickable. If you follow the advice given above, you can improve your CTR and make more money with Google AdSense. We hope you will achieve your objectives. All the best to you. Learn more at uni24x7.com. Coco Chancen pays you to have fun. CocoChancen.net